Hello, my friends. It's me, Kushalhan again, and today I'm here with the frame model tutorial. Like you can see here, I have designed this frame model where I have used the he beams, and I have done the bracing here as well. The material I have used is for the column is the steel 235, and for the horizontal beams, has here you can see I have used the rolled steel. So in this video, we're gonna design this, and I'm gonna teach you how to design this. So this exam frame model consists of the two parts. In the first video, I will tell you how to draw this, and in the second video, I will tell you how to put the loads on the it's a two-story frame model. You know, this is the first story. You can see this is the first story, and this is the second story. Okay, so this is the second story. So I will show you in the second video how to put the loads here and in on the horizontal beams, and also on the first building, like the first story as well. So the first tutorial is gonna be I will tell you how to design this. The second video will be about how to put the loads and how to do the calculation, design calculation and everything. So let's start. So if you open your AxisVM, or just click on the new, and I will just save this model for the future, and select here the Euro code, and select here the unit format Euro, and here select the top view. Okay, and one more thing, I'm just gonna tell you that I have created here the in the MS Office a summary for you, like how you have to follow the steps. I have written each and every step, and I will also upload this file in the and give this link in the description. So if you forgot something, you can just look at here, and you can follow these steps. And also, if you forgot some, like here for the horizontal vertical beams, if you have to select the European wide flange beams. So if you forget this name, so you can look it here and check this everything. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what you have to do, go to the elements and draw objects directly. Click on this, or you can use the shortcuts F4. Okay, first of all, designing every structure, you know that first of all you design the columns of it, and then you make the horizontal and put the loads. So first of all, we'll come click on this columns. We will design the columns. Okay, we are not designing a reinforced concrete, so we will click on the browse cross section library, because we are designing a frame model. So click OK. After clicking OK, what you have to do is you have to click on this um, like eye shape, and you have to come down here, if I'm not wrong, sorry, yeah, where it is, yeah, you find here he European wide flange beams. You have to click on this, and then your value should be this one, he 280 a, and here is the height, and here is the width of the this beam, and the area calculated, and all of the parameters is given here. Okay, you can check it for your if you need this, and you can see the preview of the cross section here. Okay, and then click OK. After clicking OK, there will be a warning, no element material found. You have to select the material from which it is made. So we are designing this frame model from the material called steel S235. Click OK and select your material. Go to the steel and Eurocode and select your 235. OK, and then click OK. Your material is selected. So this is how you have selected your like material. And now what you have to do, you have to change here the height. Okay, what should be the height? The height should be 3.5 meter, the height of the column. So that's all. And one more thing I will just show you too, I know already, but I will just show you for your purpose. You know, you have to place your columns according to this data given. Okay, you can see here this data. I will just highlight it with the yellow color for you. Okay, this fourth one. So the first column should be with 0 0 coordinate, and the other one this, and third, fourth, and 5 and 6. So we're gonna make 6 column. So you have to check this if you don't know, or you can follow me simply. Okay, go to your AxisVM, and you can see this, you know, on your cursor. It's the he European beam. You can place it here in the center of the any grid. Okay, this is like a grid. Okay, in the any corner with the center, or with the center of your beam. Okay, just click here. So this is your 0 0 now. Okay, and this one grid is 1 meter, so our first one should be 5 meter from here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, or you can simply write here and going up, and that's up to you. I'm just showing it to you. Okay, then one. Okay, this is the second one, and then this is the fourth one. Okay, simply, and then what you have to do, this is the you have to go to the left, sorry, to the right with the 6 meter, and you have to make a symmetric position. Okay, and then here as well. Okay, so this is how our, this is the top view, this is not a point. Okay, this is not a point, this is the top view. So that's why it looks like that. So I will show you how it will look actually in the actual mode. So now press escape. So we have just positioned our columns here. Now just go to the settings. Okay, or you can first change it to the actual view. You can see, this is our 6 columns which we have placed here, and you can go to the perspective mode and sorry, view, and then where is the perspective setting here, and change this height to the 15. Okay, for the, for the window will be fixed according to the window, and it will be more nice for you. And what you have to do the next, we have designed our vertical or the columns. Now we have to put the horizontal beams. Okay, first of all I will show you the data, like IPE 400. This should be the horizontal beam. Okay, in the horizontal, okay, you have to select IPE 400 European beams. Okay, and it should be the I beam. And now we're gonna design this, and after this we will sorry, and yeah, then we will do the brushing as well. Okay, so this was the horizontal. Now click on the vertical, sorry, now click on the horizontal, and come here to the cross section. Okay, and you see this dot option. Okay, this one, click on this. This is the cross section library, import library. Okay, we will go here to the IPE where it is, yeah, IP European I beam. Okay, and we have to select IP 400, and that's the area given, and you can see here the preview as well, and click OK. And after activating your polygon here. Okay, now you have to draw from the midpoint of, okay, this is the midpoint of this column, from here to the midpoint of this. Okay, if for more accuracy, okay, you can zoom it and you can simply click here in settings, so it will be more perfect for you. Okay, and then click here. Okay, and then click here. Okay, and then click here. Okay, and then this all. Okay, and then press escape, not escape, yeah, escape, yeah, that's all. And now we have to put also in the middle, because we have to connect these two columns with the horizontal beam. So click here. Okay, and then click here as well. So this is how we have connected, and press the escape now, and control W for the perfect view, or you can just go to the setting as well. So this is how we have designed our frame model. We have designed the vertical columns and then the horizontal beams, and now we will do the bracings, and then we will for the go for its make it a two-story as well. So this was the horizontal. Okay, this option, this vertical, and this was the horizontal. Now we will do the bracing, and we will use this one. And what actually bracing is, it is bracing is used to provide the stability to the structure. It is actually to resist the movement in a structure. So there, if there is no movement, so the structure will be more stable, and there will be no chance of the falling or any destruction. So that's why we use do bracing for extra stability and the safety of the structure. Okay, so that's all. I will also show you here, like in the bracing, for the bracing, you have to select the like material as well, like which type of bracing, from which material you want to do. So we will do it from the steel. Okay, we will do it from the steel. You can see here, this is the cross section of for the bracing. Okay, and this V means vanadium. In this, the S is the steel, V is the vanadium. In the steel there is a vanadium of 3 to 4%, and this is the cross section we have given. And so that's all what we have to do in this step. So simply go to the inclined beam. Okay, and then go to selection and library. Okay, and what you have to do, so you have to come here down, sorry, uh, it should be the pipe. Okay, Hungarian pies because this is European. And uh, first of all, I'll show you what. So you know this grid, okay? This is called filter. First, click on this and select this Europe and Hungary. This is invented by the Hungarians. This AxisVM. So select this, and we will use their pipes, okay? And you can say use European and your country code as well, as it depends on you. So I will check this and Europe as well, and then click OK, and then come down here, okay? Where is the O pipe? Okay, O Hungarian pipes. Let me find oh, sorry, first you have to select pipe here. I just forgot. Okay, select this pipe. This is the for the pipe. Okay, this was for the I-beam. And then it's O Hungarian pipes. Okay, and then you have to scroll down and you have to select this one, because we're gonna use this one, 194.0 multiplied by 5 SV vanadium. Okay, here you can select the cross section for the bracing, and then click OK and select your this polygon beam. And now we will do the bracing. Okay, click here, and then you can go to the middle of this. There are different ways. Okay, now I just brought my cursor here, and you can check here, because this was this horizontal beam. Okay, this was, I will just show you in the top view. Okay, you know, from this to here it was 5, so the middle should be at the 2.5. So you can go to the top view and you can click in the middle, and then you got the middle point. Okay, and then again you can just change into the horizontal 3D, and you see it is in the middle, or it depends on how you are using. Okay, I just use this to show you how we have to do. And then again click here, and this time I will not use the top view, I will just use this one. I know because when I brought my cursor here, in the corner you can see here the distance here. The dy distance should be the 2.5, because I know the actual length. And I will just look it here without wasting my time, and click here and do here. That's all, and press escape. Okay, this is how you can do the bracing for each and every structure. So I just did for this to show you how. And then go to the copy, because we're gonna make it the like a double structure, okay, two-story. So we'll just, this is the symmetric structure. Okay, it's in the symmetric shape. So we'll just copy it and make it a two-story. Okay, click here, translate copies, select all, and press OK. So select here the consecutive, because you want to make it a consecutive story. Okay, and here we have to select none, because we don't want to connect the story with any sub nodes or something. We just want to make it a consecutive. Okay, and then OK. So first of all, you specify your base point. Okay, this should be your base point. Okay, and then move upward. Okay, and you have to click at the middle of this point to make perfect structure. Okay, so this is how we have made it. You can make it 3 or 4 and everything. And one more thing, what we have to do now, here we have to put the supports. Okay, you can go to the loads here, sorry, nodal supports we'll put. Okay, uh, wherever you want to put. Okay, at the 6th column, you will just put it here. Okay, okay, and then click OK. So it is in a 3D actual view, and we are making a real frame model. So it will be having supports in the x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. Only there should be no rotation. Okay, we will put the rotation 0 0, and everything should be on, like x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. There should be the forces in these 3 axes, but no rotation. And click OK. So this is how we have created our support, like support as well. And now you can go to the this modes. Okay, and go to the render view, so you can see the render view as well. So this is how nice we have created. Okay, and you can just rotate it and you can see. So this is, we have created the frame model, and it is very nice. And yeah, this is how you can do your you can design a frame model. And you can go to the, this is all. So in this video I just told you how to design the frame models. In the next video I will put the support here on the upper and the lower horizontal beams, and then we'll calculate its value, design values, everything. So for now, bye bye. And if you like this video, like it's interesting and useful to you, please subscribe my channel and also like this video. And your one comment can appreciate me as well, to do more for you. So for now, bye bye. Have a nice day.